Welcome to Sikishan Sharada College YouTube channel. Today I am going to discuss about the detailed procedure of how to upload the practical assignment as per the instruction of Assam University Silchar. For that, you have to visit www.sscollegehkd.ac.in and you will find this homepage of the official website of the college, where you have to click the practical assignment tab at the top of the page, and you will be directed to this assignment submission page. First, after opening this page, you have to download the assignment preparation instruction and notice, and for that you have to click here. After clicking here, this notice will be displayed in front of you, where it is mentioned that the time frame for submission of practical assignment is 12 September to 19 September. Remember, you have to submit the assignment within this period of time. You have to prepare your assignment in a A4 sheet size paper, and in the cover page you have to mention the stream of your study, the semester of your study, the subject, and the paper number. And you have to mention whether you are submitting as a regular student or a area student. And then you have to write down your name in block letter. You have to mention the registration number, that is your university registration number. You have to mention the class roll number, and lastly you have to mention the last examination roll and number. And this particular page will be treated as the cover page of your assignment, and you have to prepare the assignment within 10 MB size, and file size should be PDF, and you have to save your assignment in the name of your university roll number, registration number. After that, for getting the detailed instruction, you have to select your subject from this box. If you are a student of science stream, then all the science stream papers are grouped here, and all the commerce stream papers are grouped here. So accordingly you have to select. While uploading the assignment, care should be taken so that the assignment prepared for one practical paper should not be uploaded to the space provided for uploading other papers. TDC CBCS second semester student have to upload the assignment for second semester, and TDC fourth semester student have to upload for the fourth semester papers only. And as per your course, that is either for pass course or for honors course. If you are a student of pass course, then you have to upload only for the assignment of pass course and not the honors course. And if you are a student of honors course, then you have to upload the assignments for honors course only. And one more thing you have to remember is that if you are a student of honors course, then you are having more than one paper practical, and for that you have to prepare separate files for each paper of assignment, and you have to make sure that you have completed all the assignment for all the papers before uploading it to the website, because you have to upload all the assignment in one go. If you submit an assignment for one or two papers and fail to upload all at a time, then you will not be allowed to, or you will not be able to submit the rest of the assignment in second go. After that, you have to select your subject from the list. For example, I am selecting here the zoology practical. Here you can see that the all the questions or all the instructions are actually provided in a single file here, but you have to answer as per your course and as per your standard. For example, if you are a fourth semester pass student, then you have to prepare the assignment for mentioned here only for the fourth semester pass paper, and accordingly you have to make ready for uploading of this paper only and not the other. For example, if you are a student of second semester honors, then you have to prepare the assignment for this paper and assignment for this paper. And Before uploading, you have to make sure that you have completed both the paper and you are ready with the assignment in PDF file. After that, you have to select the link for submission, and for that you can see that in the right side we have provided you the link, and first drop down link is for science subject and second drop down link is for commerce subject. As I have selected zoology paper, for that I have to select the science stream, and from this drop down menu I have to select the zoology practical link, and it will redirect me to a page where I have to mention my email address I am providing here. Then I have to mention my full name. Then I have to select my semester or standard. For that I am selecting the second semester CBCS. Then I have to mention the university registration number, and then I have to give my last exam roll, and then I have to mention my last exam roll number only, and then I have to mention my class roll number, and then as I have selected second semester CBCS, if I am a student of second semester honors, then I have to select this and this, not sorry, this and this, because these two gaps or add file option or link is provided for second semester honors, and for that I have to select the file like this, and you have to select the file you have prepared for that, and then you have to click the upload button. Next, second file I have to select, and for that the same procedure. One thing you have to remember that your file size will be displayed here, and if it is more than 10 MB, then it will not be uploaded. You will be warned that your file size exceeds the permissible limit, and then after selecting that file you have to click the upload, but you have to select within the file size limit. As these two are for second semester, I can leave other the link for uploading of files, and I can go for submission. If you are a student of fourth semester honors, then you have to select three files, and for that you have to select 404, 405, and 406. But if you are a student of fourth semester pass, you have to upload the file only in DSC GE 402L, and if you are a student of second semester pass, then you have to upload only the DSC GE 202L and not the others. Accordingly, I think it is better, or it is clear to all of you. And then after uploading this, you have to submit the assignment, and for that you have to click the submit button, and you will get this confirmation message: you have submitted your assignment successfully. So with this short description, you will be able to submit your assignment without any issue. Thank you for watching.